This will show you how to create a GIF to import into your text messaging. These can also be used on social media, but this specific size is for text messaging. So you can use a few different styles. We use both Canva and EasyGIF as our platforms, but you can use something like this. It's a little bit more styled, or if you have a cleaner brand, you can just put a colored border on it. You can remove the border, but just we use 6 pages. And we've done quite a few studies and have found that 6 not only um, will allow you to have many tiles, but also once you get more than 6, you have to make the size too small and it doesn't convert as well. So I just went into Canva and created 6 separate pages. And I alternated the colors a little bit just to add a little bit extra. I use square because I like to have enough room for the text below without someone having to scroll up. But any size or format seems to convert just as well, as long as it's not super long and skinny. So from here, you have your 6 separate pages. We are going to click on the entire page and we're going to assign a time. The timing that we use is 0.4 seconds. Anything quicker than that seems to go too quick, has a lower click rate. Anything longer than that also has too low of a click rate. So this is kind of our sweet spot, is the 0.4 to 0.5 seconds. This will also just ensure that it is applied to all. You can create any of these into a GIF as long as they are the same size. And from here, we will download and we will select GIF and download here. I personally use 500 by 500. If you would like to use a rectangle, this is one of our best converting rectangle sizes, which is 400 by 490. Now that this is downloaded, we will go into our Klaviyo. We will select Insert Media, upload our image. This will preview here. Remember that you always have to have your organizational prefix, and then we always recommend having the text stop to opt out at the end. Not only do you want to spend the money to send messages to people who won't convert, but also there are quite a few state laws which require you to have stop in the end of every text message. Up on the right-hand side, you can preview it for United States or Canada. And you'll see that in Canada, the company name is not required. So if you are sending to Canadian customers, we also recommend having a sign-off. And then putting the link below. Canada also is required to have the information link as well. And that is automatically populated within Klaviyo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.